welcome back to my channel. My name is Leslie. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. It means so much to me when you guys subscribe to my channel. So you guys, exciting day for today's vlog. We are going to the zoo. Woo! It will be his first time ever coming to the zoo. My husband took the day off today. It's Friday. Yes, baby. Say hi, guys. It would be fun for us to do as a family, and I wanted to bring you guys along. So we actually just stopped at Fiesta to buy stuff for like sandwiches because we called ahead and they said you could totally bring in a cooler and stuff like that. So my husband always is very well prepared, you guys. He always packs the best. So we got everything we need for a fun day at the zoo. Someone's excited. Yeah. So we just got a map so we can see where we are going. But it's kind of packed here actually. But I like that it's very spread out at the same time. Look, Papa. Look at the elephant. Look. Don't get him too close. He's not scared.
Wow. That's an elephant.
You like it, baby? What is it? The elephant. You see them?
Okay, now let's go.
See the monkeys down there? Look.
Look at the monkeys.
Do you see them? Yeah, hi, Mom.
What is it? What sound does a monkey make? Ooh, 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 ooh. We are by the tigers, you guys, so they're right behind us. And Malachi's eating apples. You are doing the tub. So you guys, my hubby is restorating, I think that's how you say it, the tub now. We found some videos online. I had seen some on TikTok of people basically painting their tub. So our tub, since we got this house, was always looking really old and ugly. Like no matter how much I scrubbed it, bleach I use, like it just looked bad, you know. And honestly, we saw this and I'm like, I want to try it before we you know, have to get a new tub because you can't always get a new tub, and we've already done so much in here. So this is the next step, and my husband is sanding down the tub. You guys, also, while my husband is doing that, as you can hear, I'm cleaning the kitchen, I'm cleaning the cabinets. It's time to just like wipe them all down. So I put Mr. Clean in here. What is it called? The Mr. Clean antibacterial cleaning thing, this one. And also some Dawn soap and a little rag. Cleaning away, you guys, cleaning these cabinets. I wanted to work out, but I'm gonna wait. It's only 12:30, so I'm gonna wait till a little bit later to work out when Kai takes a nap. I know he's gonna want to take a nap in a little bit. I'm gonna wait for him to nap till my husband's done doing all that with that grinder, whatever it's called, to put him down for a nap, because that way it'll be quiet and I think I'll be able to like work out and enjoy my workout, add a little bit more fitness to my videos. Even though it is a little awkward, like recording yourself, it is a little awkward. Obviously not just awkward, but you are putting yourself out there in all those angles, you know. But I'm real and I'm honest. Like, obviously we don't all look the best from all angles, and then I want to motivate all of us that, hey, if you're not happy with the way you look, then do something about it. You know what I'm saying? I just wiped all these over here, the door, the cabinet. Now I'm doing these. So I think I've mentioned to you guys before, like, having white cabinets, I'm not even sure if any other color get as dirty as the white, but mine gets so freaking dirty, you guys, and it bugs me. So I like to have a reminder on my phone, on my calendar. It goes off and I have to clean the cabinets. That way I know, like, hey, I get that reminder, even though obviously seeing them, like, you know that they need to be cleaned, but having that reminder like really helps me do it and get it done. I was listening to some true crime right now too, so I was like, let me get the camera out real quick and record me cleaning, because, you know, this is part of my Saturday. Went and got groceries, and you guys, I freaking hate Kroger so much. Like, Kroger curbside is the worst, but it's like the closest grocery that I have to, like, near me. I'd rather go to H-E-B, but they're just so far away, and Kroger's is closer, cheaper, but it's like you get what you pay for. You know what I'm saying? Like, they never notify you of the substitutions, and then the substitutions don't even make sense. Like, it's the worst. I hate it so much. We went there this morning to get groceries because, like, we really needed stuff. So yeah, so now we're just cleaning, chilling, waiting for Kai to get sleepy. Listening to true crime of the Slender Man, you guys. Oh my god, that sounds so freaking creepy. Like, just the bit, like the way that man looked was creepy. But I think what was creepier was how, you know, kids were becoming obsessed with him and hurting other people. Like, bro, that is some serious influence right there, and scary. Like, but anyways, in some beans, so there's a bit of water in here, if you can see. So I'm gonna let that evaporate. So that will be our lunch, probably like on top of some tortilla chips or like tacos. Just some protein and good source of carb. Meal day. gorgeous little robe. Hi guys, good morning. Today is Monday. Happy Monday. We just woke up. Yeah, we slept in this morning because yesterday evening, like, I finished up doing everything I needed to do, really. So I just started editing my vlog that I normally would edit today, and I was like, I don't need to wake up like at 5 a.m. like I usually do because I edited most of the vlog. I just need to end the vlog, which is what I'm going to be doing today. And then even whenever I did wake up, because I still woke up when I heard my husband leaving, it was pouring down rain. The other thing is I actually just got my Instacart order. They delivered it exactly at 8 a.m. I had to put an order in because I mentioned to you guys that we ended up getting our groceries from Kroger this week, and I hate Kroger so much because stuff that you like need, like, they didn't even put in my order. And the groceries, got some chicken legs because I was thinking about making some fried chicken. I got these chips as well, the crinkle cut frijoles. I've never tried them before, but I hear that they're good. I know that this kettle chips, they had some flaming hot ones, and I've only been able to find them once and never again. I don't know what that's. Almond flour. I want to mix their pumpkin loaf and their pumpkin cream cheese muffin in one. So I want to do like a pumpkin loaf with cream cheese on top, but make it healthier. That way I don't feel so guilty for eating so much bread. So I want to try doing it with almond flour, and I'm going to film it for you guys. Hopefully that will be Friday's, added in Friday's video. This up and make some coffee and make breakfast. That way we can close out today's vlog. We are about to make a little smoothie, right, Kai? Some banana, some Hershey syrup, spinach, lechita. Kai. Hey, open the banana. Okay, can you put some, hey, can you put some spinach? Good job. One more. Good job, buddy. That's enough. Okay, now we're going to put some chocolate syrup. Let's see. Chocolate syrup. Yeah. Green. Spinach. Then we put milk. That should be good. A little caramel macchiato, but with my coffee, I don't mind it. I always love sweet coffee. my breakfast is ready. I made 2 eggs, avocado toast, some tomato and turkey sausage, my cafecito. Time to eat. And then Kai never eats egg. I don't know why. He used to when he was a baby, but then he stopped. So I just made him his avocado toast, some sausage, and a little bit of egg whites. I know he's not going to eat it, but I still like to offer it to him in case he ever does want to, you know, just try it. And then he already finished his smoothie, you guys. So he finished his smoothie, and then he had some apples and grapes as soon as he woke up. So I don't even know if he's going to eat all of it, but I still like for us to eat together. You know what I'm saying? So guys, I'm going to go ahead and eat breakfast. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog this weekend with us of going to the zoo and just chilling, cleaning up. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs. Don't forget to leave me thumbs, okay? Don't forget to leave me thumbs up, and also leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys. I always try to comment back as soon as you guys leave me comments. I have my notifications on, so anytime you leave me a comment, more than likely I will respond unless I'm like really busy or something. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying my content, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.